Watch this before you start a poultry farm. Set fixed feeding times. Establish specific times each day for feeding to create a routine that chickens can rely on. Use measuring tools. Use measuring cups or scales to portion the feed and prevent overconsumption accurately. Monitor appetites. Pay attention to chickens' appetites and adjust portion sizes if you notice significant changes. Avoid abrupt changes. Gradually introduce new feeds or adjust quantities to prevent digestive issues. Adjust for activity levels. Consider the chicken's activity levels. A more active chicken might need slightly more feed. Record feeding patterns. Keep track of feeding times and portion sizes to identify any irregularities. Avoid frequent treats. Limit treats between regular feedings to maintain the main feeding schedule. Consult with experts. Seek advice from veterinarians or chicken nutritionists to tailor a feeding plan that suits your chicken's needs.